Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your brand strategy with Brandfolder, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Brandfolder website and create an account. Enter your email address and set a strong password. Once registered, log into your Brandfolder account. You'll be greeted with an overview of your dashboard. Begin by creating a new Brandfolder to house your assets. Click on the Create Brandfolder button. Name your Brandfolder and add a brief description of your brand. Upload your brand assets such as logos, images, and videos. Ensure all files are high quality and relevant to your branding needs. Organize your assets into collections for easy navigation. Use tags to categorize your files, making them easily searchable. Review your uploaded content for consistency in branding elements. Set permissions to control who can access and edit your Brandfolder. Invite team members to collaborate by sending them an invitation link. Create user roles to define different access levels for team members. Utilize the analytics feature to track how your assets are being used. Regularly update your Brandfolder as your brand evolves. Implement version control to manage different iterations of your assets. Finally, ensure that all team members understand how to use Brandfolder effectively. By following these steps, you will have a secure and organized brand strategy with Brandfolder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.